First, install the driver program.
In the static air, we find our way. With the walkie-talkies call through the night and day. Our voices never fall. Buttons pressed, antennas high. On this frequency we rely, connecting hearts mile by mile with our trusty walkie-talkie style.
Remove the dust cover on the side of the walkie-talkie.
Through the radio waves, our secrets and dreams it safely saves.
Turn on the power switch.
With the walkie-talkie ray.
Insert USB data cable.
Over the hills and far beyond,
Opens number writing tools.
our words travel on and on, from field to street, from dusk to dawn.
Select port.
This little box,
One quick read
our
device.
constant song, sharing laughs and sometimes tears, in good times and the bad years.
Enter account password.
With this device we have no fears. Our friendship always perseveres. Talk to me through the radio waves.
And check the box. One quick write
Our
device.
secrets and dreams it safely saves. In every beat and every tone, our bond goes strong and never alone. With the walkie-talkie radio.
Open Wi-Fi connection tool. Select port. Read Wi-Fi list.
Here she
Enter
is,
SSID and WifiKey.
our radio friend. Till the end, our voices blend. With the walkie-talkie by our side, our journey's always open
Write Wi-Fi list.
wide. In the static air, we find our way. With the walkie-talkies call through the night and day, our voices never fall.